That's my baby sister. Her name is Nyjah. And she's sleeping. She's like super cute right now. Well, she's always cute, but this is like super cute. She fell asleep to Wow Wow Whoopsie. Watch, she's a hard sleeper. See, nothing. Night. Nothing, still nothing. She's my baby sister, and she's just like me. She sleeps really hard. I want to see her again because she's super cute. And here we go. Isn't she like just so flippin' adorable? Look at that face. Her toys are all spread out. She was playing with them. There's a little walker. She's a really long baby. She's so cute. But like, she's not always cute. It's basically just when she sleeps, but she hardly ever cries. Okay, well, this was a Snowbelly Productions.